Previously, we showed you how to make string hoppers. We shopped at a local veggie and fish market, made a traditional tuna curry at this incredible villa. And now we're off to see the next villa.
How you doing, man?
Hello.
We've just arrived at the new location. Check it out. Thank you very much. Is it you guys that the bloggers? That's right. Wow. Thank you. Oh yes, I'm ready for that.
Lovely.
Now for a pleasurable lunch with the villa managers.
Yes, schooling is Sri Lankan traditional packed lunch.
Packed lunch.
Yeah.
That's what you call a packed lunch. And what's in it?
This packed lunch is made with curry dal, curry chicken, aubergine or eggplant, coconut sambal, rice and curried potatoes. Let me show you this incredible villa. CHICKENKAJUGAMA is a 5-bedroom villa. Each bedroom has its own ensuite. For breakfast, we're having fresh food assortment, omelette and scrambled eggs.
And again, this is the buffalo curd. It's made with buffalo milk. And then you pour this, what they call honey, but it's not honey, it's a tree sap from a special tree.
This is the actual tree where the sap comes from, and we just happen to have one in our own backyard. It's called fishtail palm. The sap is extracted from the flowers and you get a type of smoky honey called kithul. This sugar is known as jaggery. It's also made from kithul. CHEFSUNANDA is set over 2 acres of tropical gardens. It's almost like having your own private jungle. It even has a banana tree. Where else can you pick bananas in your own backyard? We're on the lookout for a peacock. If television is your thing, there's a great TV room complete with satellite. But for me, I have better things to do. It's now time to hit the beach.
Morning.
It's roughly a pleasant 15-minute drive by tuk-tuk. and you'll find an absolutely stunning beach. For now, it was time to relax to the sound of Mother Nature's waves and chill out to reggae music. Feeling hungry? Why not try a wood fire oven pizza? I know that's what I was hanging for, a pizza and an ice cold beer. Oh yeah. Now back to the villa with our trusty tuk-tuk driver.
We're here in the kitchen of Punchakada Villa, and this is Chef Sunanda who's going to cook for us a chicken curry dish. What do you call that?
CHICKENKAJUGAMA.
Chicken
Kajugama.
kajugama.
Yeah.
So you've put some vegetable oil in the hot saucepan and the ginger.
Some cardamom pods and cloves are added, followed by pandan and curry leaves, chopped tomato and onion. The chicken has been marinated overnight with turmeric, chili, garlic and seasoning.
We put cashew nut.
And they've been in water, have they?
Yeah.
To soften them up.
The cashew nuts are drained and added to the chicken. It's covered with a lid and cooked for a few minutes. The red chili paste is added. Coconut milk is added for a rich, creamy sauce. It's tasted and adjusted for seasoning. Now for the vegetables. We're cooking eggplant, vegetable oil, some grated ginger, and some chopped garlic, pandan leaves and curry leaves, 2 or 3 cardamom pods and a couple of cloves, some fresh cinnamon, roughly chopped onion and some split green chilies, turmeric powder and salt. It's deglazed with vinegar. Some mango chutney and tomato sauce or ketchup. Some pepper. The fried eggplants are then added. Some honey or kithul. Time to plate up. Some steamed rice. Oh, yum! Are you as hungry as I am right now? The onion salad is made with onion, green chili, garlic, tomato, seasoning and lime juice with a papadum.
A traditional Sri Lankan meal, and I've always wondered what the difference was, so it's quite interesting.
For dessert, we're having wattalapam, a Sri Lankan custard made with jaggery, spices and cashews. It's sad to leave and also exciting.
It's exciting because we're going to see Sigiriya. Thanks, Rob. Pleasure meeting you. Thanks for everything.
Bye, guys.